How can I let my team know about which one of our products are being bought? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new purchase in Zettle. Then we'll be filtering that information through our tools by workload. And finally, we'll be sending a channel message in Slack. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Zettle to Slack. And I'm going to click inside of our trigger box and I'm going to select my trigger app, which is going to be Zettle. And our event is going to be a new purchase. So this workflow will trigger whenever there's a new purchase made through Zettle. Make sure I'm connected to my Zettle account. Then I'm going to test this trigger. And we found a new purchase. I know that in Zettle, some of the information that I want to put into my Slack channel message is stored within this products array. So in order for me to pull that information out and add it to Slack, I'm going to need to add another step. So I'm going to click continue here on step 1. And for my first action, I'm going to use one of our tools. So I'm going to click on the tools icon. I'm going to select the AI formatter by workload. And my action is going to be to format data. The input data, I'm going to click inside of this box and come down to the drop-down menu. And I'm going to find that word products and click on it. And then for my prompt, I can copy and paste that from one of the descriptors on the bottom. Turn this array into an object. So I'm going to click continue and test this action. And now we have that array pulled out into its own object so we can select these values and put them into Slack. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to click on the plus sign to add a step. My third action is going to be in Slack. And our event is going to be to send a channel message. We're going to make sure we're connected to Slack. The channel that I want to send this message on is my test channel. The text of the channel is going to come from that formatted data. So I'm going to click inside of the box. I'm going to come down to step 2. I'm going to find the name of our product. I'm going to put space and a hyphen, the quantity, space, hyphen, and the price. For the bot name, I'm going to select the person who ordered this product. So that's going to come from the step 1, and the user display name. And then I'm not going to put in an icon or an emoji, although you could, and it's not part of a thread. So I'm going to leave those 3 fields blank. I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to test this action. And we have a success. So I can click continue. I can jump over to my Slack channel and see that I received that message with the name of the person who ordered the product and the details of that order. So I can go back to the workload editor, can make sure there's a green dot in the corner of each one of my nodes, and then I can activate this workflow. And now every time there's a new purchase made through Zettle, the data will be formatted and then sent as a channel message in Slack. That's how you can use Workload to integrate a purchase made through Zettle with sending a channel message in Slack. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video. You can also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.